welcome the candidates for graduation and the top students of the various CBT programs. First in line, the entrance to the graduating class of Basic Commercial Pastries. Dishes Cookery. These courses are under the mentorship of Miss Liliana D. Next in line, the entrance of Beauty Care Spa Salon Services under the mentorship of Miss Emily S. Michael. Next up, the entrance to the graduating students of Applying Traditional People Wellness Massage and Body Massage Technique Application under the mentorship of Miss Leia G. Gomez.
Nanda.